Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making cottage pie. Before I start with the ground beef, I will start by preparing the mash. I have 3 potatoes that's cooked and I'm mashing them. As I go along, I'll be adding half a cup of boiling milk. A teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'll mix them all together. About 4 tablespoons of butter, I'm now adding a teaspoon of salt or to your taste, half a cup of grated cheese, you want to combine everything together and make sure the mash is nice and fluffy. I'm now adding the rest of the cheese. I'm now going to leave the mash aside and start with the minced beef. I've got the pan on medium to high heat. And I'm now adding olive oil. In goes the minced beef. You want to break the mince down lightly and fry the meat till it's light brown. I'm now adding 1 teaspoon black pepper, one tablespoon garlic, and mix everything together. Now I'm just removing the mince and I use the leftover gravy from the pan to cook the vegetables. I'm using 1 cup frozen mixed vegetables. Fresh is fine also. I want to fry the vegetables lightly and also to get rid of any water. Now I'll add the meat back into the pan. I'm using half a tablespoon paprika, 1 large onion chopped, 3 tablespoons tomato puree, and some fresh thyme for flavor. And now I'm mixing everything together. I also don't want to overcook everything, it still needs to go in the oven. One and a half teaspoon fine salt, or to your taste. Now that everything is mixed through, lastly I'm adding about half a cup of red wine mixed with 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, you can also add flour or cornstarch to thicken the gravy if you feel it's too runny. Now the filling is ready and I will get ready with my pie dish. This dish can also be great for Christmas Day or Thanksgiving if you like to impress the family with something different. If you're not into using alcohol, you can totally skip it, that's fine too. And you can just add beef broth instead. Once my meat is at the bottom, I will start by layering with mash. I am now garnishing with thyme that's soaked in olive oil to avoid it from burning. Lastly, I'm adding a few drops of olive oil to stop the mash from drying out. And now the cottage pie will go into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 1 hour or until the top has a nice color to it. After an hour, it's all ready and looks delicious. It also goes great with a nice side salad. Thanks for watching, guys.